company beside it will safely detect it, right?
Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is another Apple's Reviews, giving you a review of what we have here inside this box. It's the new Apple AirTags, okay? So it's, the AirTags that you see in the Apple Store, it's about 1,600 to 2,000 pesos. But this one we got it for like half the price, okay? Now we'll see, if this is worth half the price or not, alright? So it just came in today inside this box. So, it was delivered quickly, and we'll see. So it comes in this box, and let's see what's inside. Now, opening the box, you see it comes in a nice carton package, not your typical Apple package like you saw in my AirPods review. You can check on the link on the side, okay? But this one just comes with a regular box, and let's open it. As you can see, we have the package right here. Oh, look, what a good surprise. It's in bubble wrap, so it comes with a keychain that's worth just 125 pesos, an AirTag holder. Let me just get this, okay. So this is the AirTag holder that comes in with it, alright. Looks sleek, looks nice, in a good packaging. And of course, our main event for this review, the Apple AirTag. So it's Airtag. Holy Airtag, alright?
What the fuck?
Comes very shiny, and in the box it says find your things. Smart Finder helps you find any lost things in seconds. So what is an AirTag? So these are tags that you put in your things like keys, bags, in case it gets lost. You can use Find My iPhone to find those things, where you last placed it. Now it's very handy because you can use it as like a GPS tracker of some sort, okay? And it uses Apple's network, various iPhones that track this AirTag, okay? So yeah, let's see and open the box. So opening the box, what we have here is the AirTag, and there it is, folks. Just as simple as that. Comes in a plastic cover to protect it, and it's using iSearching app, okay, instead of Find My iPhone, alright? So you gotta scan that so that you can find it. So it's actually a clone of the AirTags, but we'll see, if it worked with me. Find My iPhone.
Alright, so just want to tell you guys that inside the box there's a funny manual in Chinese, of course, and in English, so it tells you to download the iSearching app and the iFind You app, or that's either or. And so as you can see here, this is my phone, and this is the it's very clear, so very light out. This is the iSearching app. There you go, as you can see. Let's open it up. So I've already paired my AirTags, pseudo AirTags, to my phone, and as you can see, I'll press a button and you can hear some sounds. Alright, so that's the alarm. Just gotta cancel that alarm. As you can see, it alarms, okay? And let's look at the location. There we go. It's showing the location. Wow, wonderful. Okay, so it shows the location of the AirTag, so you guys know where I live now. But anyway, that's the location of the AirTags. Alright, so will this actually in Find My iPhone? Let's try. So this is Find My iPhone, and let's add some AirTag device. Add item, add AirTag. So I'm putting it beside it. We'll see if it will detect it, alright, if it's worth it.
A few moments later.
Well, looks like it just doesn't read this AirTag. So guys, looks like this AirTag is only for the iSearching device, alright? So, when you just download this device in the App Store and just connect it to this one by Bluetooth, it will automatically connect. Once you remove the thin plastic wrapper here, it will automatically connect here, alright? And then you can also change the settings. You can change the name if you want, and you can alarm it when it disconnects, right? So this only works actually by Bluetooth, not near field communication, okay? So it works by connecting the Bluetooth from this device to this device. Now once, let's say, this device gets far away from your phone, it's going to give you an alarm, and the alarm could either be one of these, okay? So it could be this one, this one. Oh, I prefer this one. Alright, so those are the alarms that you will be hearing mostly once this device gets far away from your phone. So that's it, guys. It's actually not so bad, for just like half the price for a real AirTag. But I feel a bit cheated, to be honest, because I thought like the AirPods Pro that we have, which communicates with the phone easily when you open the case. This one doesn't. It uses a different app, okay? Instead of the Find My iPhone AirTag app, okay, to search it, and it doesn't automatically detect the AirTag. Nothing pops up here, as you will see in the screen. It only just responds to the app iSearching, but not to the Find My app in the iPhone or iOS, right? So guys, with this, I would say I wouldn't give it an F+ up sign, but I say if you need a device that looks like an AirTag and you don't have the budget, but you just want to look fancy, and you're worried that your things might get lost, this could be it. But if you're expecting something that would use the Find My and easily search this device using the location, I don't think it will work, okay? Because I tried using this, going far away, and then tracking where this device is. It doesn't. It just works like this device right here. If you just get far away, it just alarms. That's it. You can't find the location or anywhere, okay? Because the Bluetooth programming for most Apple iPhones are encrypted, and this one doesn't have the encryption, alright? So that's how it works. Okay, guys, well, you guys be the judge if you guys think that this is a good Christmas gift, or you just want a nifty tag that looks good on your bag. I think this is worth the buy, but otherwise, stay away from it, guys. That's it. Publish reviews saying good day.